My name is Chris Jones. I am Professor of Childhood Brain Tumour Biology at the Institute of Cancer Research in London. So this research project has been a really nice collaboration between us and researchers in Boston, Rome and Paris. We're really looking to put together a lot of the data that we've generated over the last couple of years and to think about what the next steps might be. I think we've found some really exciting stuff in GC for the first time in terms of how these tumours spread so much through the brain. And so now we need to get together, which we're planning to do in the next month or two, to decide how to complete this project and what future projects we may be able to do together. I think we've hit the goals that we had initially planned. Certainly the major part for us was to collect a lot of GC cases and to study them at the single cell level. And that we've done, and we've been the first people to do that. So I think that's been really a tremendous success. We've also been able to look at GC tissue sections and to look how they may be organised in space in these tumours. So that's also been a great success. One of our major goals was also to develop new models of the disease in the lab, and that's been a bit further behind where we'd like. And so we're definitely really keen to try to reinvigorate that part of the project so that we have new models of GC to test some of our ideas in the lab. Yeah, so Euro has been really fundamental to all the GC work we've done. He's a bioinformatician, so a computational biologist, and he's really taken charge of all the analysis of all the data for all of our GC projects, so we really couldn't have done it without him. Yeah, so the GC conference in New York I think was a great success. I think it was a really great opportunity for us as part of this collaboration to present the early findings of the work we've done. And I think it sparked a lot of conversations with many researchers around the world about what it is that we've discovered, about how it may all link together with data that they're generating, and it's already sparking new collaborations in GC, which is fantastic. Yeah, so one of the really exciting advances in the brain tumour field in general over the last couple of years has been this idea of cancer neuroscience. So really seeing how cancer cells integrate themselves into the normal electrical circuitry of the brain. So Michelle Monge gave an incredible talk about her work on trying to tackle this in other forms of glioma. And I think this could be really applicable to GC too. So that's something I'd really like to see develop over the next few years. So we're really excited to take forward the findings that we've already had from this project. We have some really good leads in terms of therapeutic targets in GC, but also ways of understanding the unique biology of GC in the lab. So we already have one new PhD student starting on part of that work, and we absolutely are really in need of funding to develop other ideas that have arisen from this first part of the work we've done to take forward over the next few years. We're really excited to welcome everybody to London, probably in September in 2025. We have already started thinking about this, so we've been speaking to our family partners, speaking to scientists in the next couple of weeks to really start to put together a loose schedule for how we may organise this, and we really look forward to developing the programme together with other scientists, other family foundations over the next year or so, and we really look forward to having everyone in London to talk about GC. So I'd just really like to thank all of our foundational supporters. It means such a huge amount to us for the funding that you give us. It allows us to do this work. It really inspires us to work on GC every day. And so we really thank you for all the support, all the funding, and for the collaboration that we have together.